Hi, I'm John Carroll from Infection Prevention Ireland. Today, I want to give you some information on how we use and deliver a disinfectant and sanitising service and protocol called eShield. eShield creates a healthy, clean environment which are hostile to all pathogens, including the coronavirus, COVID-19, but safe for humans and animals in any environment and in any industry. eShield is the market-leading touchless disinfectant application system. It is a proven, non-touch, spray and walk-away disinfectant and sanitising solution. All eShield solutions are bactericidal, virucidal and fungicidal and exhibit the following key qualities in use. They're non-corrosive, non-irritant, non-toxic, they are food safe and safe to use. This protocol reduces the cleaning time and protects against outbreaks because of the environment that is created. By not cross-contaminating with cloths and immediate wiping, we also cut down on the transmission potential of wiping from one area to another. The disinfection and sanitising protocol creates a Teflon non-stick surface where the pathogens cannot stick to replicate or grow. It makes cleaning far easier and safer as our fluids start to work within 10 seconds. Our eShield disinfectant works on all hard surfaces, countertops, handrails, walls, floors, windows and doors, and all metals, as well as soft surfaces including fabrics, clothes, carpets, curtains, seating, etc. Our protocol delivers a proactive barrier protecting your environment. eShield creates a hostile, tensive surface environment for all pathogens. The bacteria cannot stick to the surface and therefore does not allow it to grow and replicate on the substrate, which stresses it out and then it dies. To implement our disinfectant and sanitising protocol, we use electrostatic sprayers, which adds positive microscopic cationic electrical charge into the already charged fluid, making it incredibly potent. The electrically charged droplets are attracted to all surfaces they are directed at and automatically wrap around all surfaces, giving a 3D surface covering effect. The new untenable surface results in death for all bacteria and uses 65% less fluid and reduces the cleaning time by up to 70%. Here is some more important information about the eco-friendly disinfectant chemical solution used in the eShield protocol. eShield is a high-level cleaner and disinfectant. It's antimicrobial, which means that it kills microorganisms or stops their growth. It's virucidal, which means it's a chemical agent that deactivates or destroys the virus. It's sporicidal, it kills spores. It's a microbactericidal, which means it destructs the microbacteria. This protocol has a 4-week environmental consequence absorbing pathogens, which means that it can last up to 4 weeks. Here is another set of features which are very important. Our cleaning solution contains none of the following: no chlorine, no odour, no bleach, no alcohol, no solvents and hydroxyl free radicals, and it is water-based. It's non-flammable, non-hazardous and non-corrosive. It's food safe and it's also used for animal husbandry for its virucidal performance. It kills odour, mould and mildew and cleans organic surface matter. It kills C. diff in under 2 minutes. In normal circumstances, PPE, personal protection equipment, is not necessary to apply the eShield protocol and its cleaning disinfecting solutions. However, due to the coronavirus COVID-19 crisis, all operatives wear full PPE to protect them from the environment which they are disinfecting and sanitising. So what is involved in implementing the eShield protocol? After the initial assessment is carried out and the protocol is recommended, this is how it is implemented. We will use a 1-month cleaning cycle, which is recommended as the most effective protocol to put in place. Day 1, month 1. Carry out a deep cleaning, disinfecting and sanitising process, which involves using our electrostatic sprayers to spray our Ultra solution, which is eco-friendly and is a highly effective cleaner and disinfectant. It kills C. diff in less than 2 minutes and offers up to 48 hours antimicrobial activity, which means it carries on working as a persistent solution. On days 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, our daily disinfectant and cleaning solution is used as a general daily cleaning solution. It uses the same adjuvant that is used in our other products and should be used as a cleaning alternative. There is no need to use other chemical cleaners or disinfectants. Most of them contain chemical solutions which are harmful to the environment and can cause irritation to the user. Our protocol is a green alternative, which creates a disinfected and sanitized green environment. It has no harmful effects on the environment or the people using or coming into contact with it. On day 7, we spray our control product using our electrostatic sprayers. Control offers high levels of antimicrobial activity as it carries on working as a persistent solution. Control carries on working on the air in the environment as it passes over, removing harmful VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds. Week 2 continues with the normal daily cleaning activities using our daily solution for the following 6 days. On the 7th day of week 2, we apply another coating of the Ultra solution. Weeks 3 and 4 are a repeat of weeks 1 and 2. The whole process is repeated each month, which results in a germ-free, virus-free and clinically clean green environment. Look at these two images. The green image represents the results achieved using the eShield disinfection and sanitising protocol, which results in the whole environment being effectively disinfected and sanitised. As you can see, the red image displays the areas cleaned using the usual standard touch cleaning methods, which results in not all areas being effectively disinfected and sanitised, enabling cross-contamination from dirty surface to clean surface and the spread of germs and viruses. To sum up, using our electrostatic sprayers in combination with the eShield disinfection and sanitising protocol, you are left with an environment which is disinfected and sanitised to the very highest possible standards. The time involved in achieving it is up to 70% faster while using 60% less chemicals. So it is a very cost-effective way of disinfecting and sanitising a premises or vehicles. The net results are you get an environment which is very safe for all its users, whether people work there or residing there as clients or impatients or people passing through that environment. The eShield protected environment prevents the spread of any viruses by touch or physical contact with anything within that environment. Our eShield disinfection and sanitising protocol has proven to be very effective in nursing homes and care homes, in public transport, buses, coaches, trams, trains, carriages, emergency vehicles, ambulances, police cars, personal carriers, military transport vehicles, public utility vehicles, school and school transport, in public buildings, the hospitality industry, hotels, hostels, the fitness and leisure industry. In fact, the eShield protocol will be effective in any building or premises in which it is implemented. If you want to find out more about how we can help you to make the environment you control or are responsible for safe for your employees, clients, service users, family or the public, then please contact me through our website infectionprevention.ie or call us on the number you see on the screen. We can help you make your home, your buildings, your premises and your transport vehicles eShield protected environments and safe from coronavirus COVID-19. All chemicals, disinfectants are ECHA, BRA and Article 95 compliant. All chemical data sheets are available on request. I'd like to thank you for listening and watching this video, and I look forward to talking to you in the future.